Microplastics, originating from sources like old food packaging and discarded toys, pose significant challenges when they break down into tiny particles in our oceans and waterways. These minuscule plastic pieces, measuring 5 millimeters or less, are difficult to clean up and attract bacteria, including harmful pathogens. Addressing this issue, researchers are now turning to microrobots for help. In a study published in ACS Nano by the American Chemical Society, scientists detailed how swarms of microrobots effectively captured microplastics and bacteria from water. These microrobots, which can be decontaminated and reused, offer a new method for tackling water pollution. Microplastics not only threaten marine life that may ingest them, but also pose potential risks to human health through the food chain. The full extent of these health impacts is still being researched. However, the microplastics' ability to attract bacteria, including disease-causing pathogens, adds another layer of concern. To combat this, Martin Pumera and his team developed microscale robotic systems that mimic natural swarms like schools of fish. They constructed these microrobots by linking strands of a positively charged polymer to magnetic microparticles, which only move when exposed to a magnetic field. These polymer strands attract both plastics and microbes. Each robot measures 2 to 8 micrometers in diameter. When subjected to a rotating magnetic field, the robots swarm together. By adjusting the number of robots forming flat clusters, researchers could control the swarm's movement and speed. In lab experiments, the team simulated an environment with microplastics and bacteria. By adding fluorescent polystyrene beads and actively swimming Pseudomonas aeruginosa bacteria, known to cause pneumonia, into a water tank, they then introduced the microrobots and applied a rotating magnetic field for 30 minutes, intermittently switching it on and off. The highest robot concentration tested, 7.5 milligrams per milliliter, successfully captured about 80% of the bacteria. Similarly, this concentration also reduced the number of free plastic beads as they were attracted to the microrobots. After the cleaning process, the researchers collected the robots using a permanent magnet and detached the bacteria with ultrasound. The microbes were then disinfected using ultraviolet radiation. Remarkably, the decontaminated robots could still capture plastic and microbes upon reuse, though in smaller amounts. This innovative microrobotic system shows promise for simultaneously removing plastic and bacteria from water, offering a new approach to address pollution in our waterways. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next video.